cornered or surrounded a block, that's when they'd use the PA from the helicopter and tell him to give up, or they were sending the dog in or whatever. It's a mandatory call. Good point on that. More mandatory call from the PA. Yeah. Oh, geez. They do that and make those announcements from the public address system on the helicopter, but I don't think he can hear them. There's too much traffic, too much noise.
It's hard for us to tell, Mike, and I know you're trying to fly a helicopter while you're doing this, so no worries if you can't give us a precise location, but do you know which roads are involved at this point? Was it Sunset Boulevard just now?
It was Sunset, and he's headed south towards the 101 freeway, and there may be an on-ramp here, but towards the 101 freeway, CHP still behind him, but he was on Sunset off and on, but we have moved a little bit further south and west of the Dodger Stadium parking lot. We're still west of Echo Park and another right turn, so he's yet to get back on the freeway, so hopefully that's good.
This looks like a bit of an uphill situation here. I don't know if that means that he's headed, because it could be, just depending on the direction of travel here, it looks like he's doing a U-turn anyway, going down into a driveway. This may be where it ends.
We're going to get on the other side of this. Naturally, they would put a building in the way, so we're going to move over here on the west side and watch him take this guy into custody.
Guns drawn by the officers.
Yep. Hopefully it's peaceful.
Sitting in there.
What is he doing? Is he resisting?
All right, he doesn't want to give up so soon. We're going to keep coming around here. He's not going anywhere. Suspect's in custody. Good job by CHP.
We do have a CHP officer on the phone with us. Officer, I didn't get your name, but if you could
Chips Poncherello.
give us a sense of what we're looking at here.
Stay with him.
Hi, good morning. This is Officer Chris Baldonado.
Chris Baldonado, Officer Baldonado, right now it looks like your officers have this
Look at the lady.
This person in custody. I saw the hand signal go up for a code 4 to the airships.
Oh, that's the girlfriend or the wife or the sister or the mom or the cousin or
officers right
friend or something.
This person on the motorcycle, and we were wondering what are the tools available in this kind of a situation.
Well, as you saw, there's not much, but first off, I'm very grateful that this came to a peaceful end. No one at this point since the inmates have been injured or got hurt. So, being that this pursuit terminated is what we wanted. We wanted to see this kind of a peaceful end. We're glad that it did, and as far as tools that are available to us, you're trying to outweigh the risk for us versus the gain, so I'm glad that we got the suspect into custody.
It was Officer Baldonado. It was heroic to watch that one CHP officer on the motorcycle who was trying to kind of cut off the forward-making progress of the suspect. And in that moment, I mean, there wasn't much that he could do, but can you talk to the risks and the work of that officer who just helped us come to a peaceful end?
There is, and depending upon what's given to us, you have like a split second to make a decision that'll make sure that everyone's safe, not only the suspect, but our officers involved as well.
Great. Officer Baldonado from CHP, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time on this, and great work, peaceful ending there.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.